Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back to show you guys a hair tutorial on how I curl my hair. It's very easy and simple to do. These are just like kind of natural, kind of sexy curls, like if you want to go out on a date with your honey, or if you're trying to go somewhere and look cute. But if you guys want to see how I did my hair, then keep on watching. So the curling iron that I'm going to use for today's hair tutorial is the Hot Tools Professional, and I got this one from Walmart. I don't remember the exact price. I'll link it down below, but I believe this is a 1.5 inch wand. I'll have to look it up, but I'll leave it down below so you guys know which one exactly that I'm using. I like to use this one for my hair because it gives you kind of like bigger curls than the tight ones. I mean, if you want to do tight curls, I would take a smaller one, but I like to use that one. Before you even begin to do anything with your hair, I always like to spray heat protectant. This one's a Kenra Platinum blow dry spray. Yes, blow dry spray. And I like to use this before I put anything hot. And my hair is 1 week not wash. So I don't really like to do this all the time. Then I just like to spray the stuff on and then through my hair. So I really don't put heat that much in my hair, you guys. So if I do it once, maybe like once a week, that's it. If I straighten it, it's going to be like that for the whole rest of the week. I don't like to put too much heat because I feel like with the highlights that I did in my hair, it kind of damaged it a little bit. I feel like I have a lot of split ends all the way to the top. So I just don't like to put that much heat in my hair. So once you have that done, so if you are like me and you have like thin hair, the curls don't like to stay. They just don't. So what I've been using is Kenra texturizing spray. I like to spray this in my hair before I curl it because that way the curls will stay and they have something to hold on to. And don't spray too much of this because if you spray a lot, your hair is going to be like really stiff and disgusting. So just a little bit like that, a little bit on top, and then we'll come around and just a little bit. And then just kind of comb your hands through it. Then you can get your brush and then just comb your hair. You can get any brush. It doesn't have to be like a specific brush. So what I like to do is I like to do my hair in half. So do halfway if you have a clip or like a chongo hair tie. Just do it in half. Just like that. And then I like to comb out the rest of the hair here so I have no tangles. So I kind of do like half like this, and then I just grab the wand. And the setting that I have the curling iron on is the hottest 450. I mean, if you have thin hair, then I wouldn't go 450, but mine's thin but not that thin. So just get a little strand of hair, and then I just get it from the top so you can kind of straighten it too at the same time, and just kind of go down and get most of it so you don't leave like lines in it, and then just I curl it in, and then I leave it here for like maybe 20 seconds or so. Then when I'm gonna let the hair loose, I kind of just do it slow, and then once you're getting to the end part, just kind of open it. And then what I like to do is I like to hold it up like this. That I feel like this works when you hold it so that way the heat's there. And I don't like to spray hairspray on right when I do the curl because I feel like the heat goes away and the curl doesn't really stay. So just keep it like this. Or if you have like little clips or bobby pins, go ahead and just put them in and hold the curl. So I just do this until it doesn't feel that hot, and then I'll let it go. That way it's like still there. So then I grab another strand here and I do the same thing. I open it and do it as close so that way if your hair is a little frizzy because I didn't straighten it, it'll straighten it for you. And then just curl in and hold it there for like 20 seconds. And then once you get down, like again, just open it and then hold your curl up like this. Just for a few seconds, that way the heat stays and the curl stays. And then just let it go. So I'm going to do this for the whole back of my head, and then once I come up, I'll be back to show you guys how to do this part. Okay guys, for this part, if you want to curl it whichever way, you just split your hair if you want it this way, in the middle. So I'm going to do the middle. So I'm just going to part it there with my brush. And then just do half like I did the bottom hair. So I'm going to do it in half. I'm going to just comb it out because the texturizing spray does make it like a little hard. But you need it. If your curls stay, then you don't need that. But if they're like mine where they don't stay at all, then you need a little bit of the spray. So just take a little bit of hair like this. Nothing too big. Because then the curl will it won't stay. It will come out because it's too big, too much hair. So go like this. You guys see, I want to show you guys. There we go. And then I do the same curls all over. I do them in. Just hold it there for like 20 seconds. And then let it go. Hold it in place there. Then I want to show you guys how I do it here in the front. The front, I lied. The front I do an out curl. So instead of holding it like this, I'm going to go like this. You see? I know it looks like it's the same, but it does make a difference. So just the closest. And then out. And then I'm going to do an out curl. Not an inside curl. I'm going to do it out. You see I'm doing it outwise. And then just hold it there for 20 seconds. Nothing too long because you don't want your hair to burn off, girl. And then just let it go. And then once you get to the bottom, just open it. And just hold it a little bit. And you see? It looks funny right now. But once all your hair is done, it's going to look really good with that curl there. And I don't curl my hair all the time, you guys, because like I said, I don't like to put heat in my hair. Because it'll mess up your hair more, you know? Get more split ends. And I don't wear like any wigs or anything, so if my hair gets messed up, girl, it's my hair. So once you have your hair all the way curled like this, it's gonna look a little crazy. So I don't like to leave them this tight. I like to have them more like wavy kind of curls. So what I like to do is I just take my fingers honestly and then just kind of go through it like this. Just do your hair like this to your hair. And then I just take the comb and then just leave the front part right here, and then in the back I'll go like this. And then I'll put a little bit of hairspray. So I'm using the Kenra Fast Dry hairspray, and this is in the flexible hold, and it's in number 8. So I just like to do it a little bit to the curl. So I just hold it like this and spray like that. And then just kind of go through a little bit so I don't look like kind of nappy, you know. You see how it just leaves you como los curls just like loose, like it's, you see, like natural. um if you want to curl it more, just get your curling iron and just go over with it a little bit, like not, don't leave it too long, girl, because you already left it on for 20 seconds. What I like to do to lay my baby hairs out right here, I like to take this here, it's called Lay It Right, and I got it from Amazon for like $6, I think. So it's like a clear pomade. You see, it looks orange, but it was clear. It doesn't have any color. And then I just take a toothbrush. No, and this is not the one that I brush my teeth with. I bought a whole pack at Walmart for like $1. These are just the cheap ones. And then I just like to go in here like this, so I can get some of my toothbrush. See these baby hairs right here? I get the toothbrush and I go like this, look. I still don't have it down where some girls like curl it, go out and like curl it. I don't have that down, but I have this part down. And then right here too, if you want, right here, your sideburns. You can kind of comb it down like this a little bit. And then I just put the hair over. You see, so it's like down flat. And then I take it on the other side. I don't know if a lot of people have these hairs right here, but I'm scared to shave it right there. I think I did one time and it was growing out and it was like so ugly. So I never did it again. So I'm scared. And then right here. And then if you need more, then you can get more on there. And then I just take this hair over. Right there. You see, so it's just laid down. And then a trick. You know, like I did my makeup, you can take your sponge and just put it on top of that pomade so it doesn't look funny, so I can just match with like your face. Just go over it. And that's it. That's all I do, guys. And no, this video is not sponsored by Kenra. I know that I use a lot of their products, but I got 2 of the products for free. Yeah, so I got the texturizing spray and the platinum blow dry spray for free because I had like, I think $30 in free points, plus they're having like a 20% off thing going on. So I got the stuff for free because my hairdresser actually recommended the blow dry spray. I'm sorry, not the blow dry spray, the texturizing spray, because she put it in my hair so my curls can stay, because I told her my hair just goes flat after I curl it. So she actually recommended that. So I really do like the Kenra brand, but I have used like the heat protectant from Garnier. They really have a good one. And I want to say Dove has a heat protectant spray. That one smells really good. But at the moment, this is what I'm using. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Thanks for bearing with me. This is my first time showing you guys, and I was trying to get all the angles to show you how I do my hair. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for always watching and always supporting me, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.